very pretty. Oh, that's intense. Hey guys, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Bo. Today I'm very excited because I just got this box of Colourpop products in the mail, and I'm very excited to get to try them out in this video. If you want to know how I create this look, this purplish kind of look with Colourpop cosmetics, well, let's keep on watching. Let's open up the box that we got. Open in case of party emergency. How cute is that? There's a card. It says, "You are totally awesome." Is that a compliment? No Filter Foundation. This color is medium 85. I picked this color because from Colourpop's Instagram they posted a picture comparing their colors to other brands. So I normally use Maybelline Fit Me. This one is slightly lighter. I'm gonna prime my face with Nooo Poreblem primer. When I ordered this, it also comes with foundation brush. This is number F17, so I think we're gonna try to use that as well. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. It's very watery. That's good, I think.
Looks kind of nice. I mean, the color. Well, let's see. Need a little bit more, I guess. Let's see how it blends on the skin.
I mean, I love the Maybelline Fit Me, but sometimes it feels like it's very matte and it makes your skin kind of look a little dry. I don't know, but this one, it blends really nice, although it's matte. And because I have very dry skin, and since I'm from the tropics, living in colder, much colder country, makes my skin really dry. So I think this one is good. Although we can never know until it's winter. I'll try that again in a few months. Oh, it doesn't have a cap, so I don't know what to do. Concealer. Colourpop No Filter Concealer. It blends together very nice, you guys. Soy. I'm gonna set my concealer with a powder. Too bad I didn't order any powder product from Colourpop, but today I'm gonna use Fit Me to set the face. Gonna do the concealer under the brow bones a little. The cheek on cheek from NYX to contour my face. And now gonna use this clean brush to just blend the contour so it doesn't look harsh. Now let's dive into this palette. So here is how it looks. I don't know which color should I use. Well, let's pick one. I think I'm gonna go with Upgrade highlighter brush. Just dip it. Ooh. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow first. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown Pomade in dark brown. Let's move on to the lids. Okay, it's fine. Since I have this color, I'm gonna do purple on my eyes today then. I don't have any eye palette from Colourpop, but I'm gonna use this good old Jeffree Star blush sugar. This palette is like everything. It's the holy grail. I really like purple and red. This palette has everything. So what I'm gonna do first is using this color, Root Canal, this Morphe brush. Like, I don't really have a plan here, so it's just gonna put it all over the lid, I think. Okay, gonna use a darker purple color, maybe Extraction. Gonna use this Colourpop Eyes Super Shock Shadow. I don't know, should just use my finger. Ooh. It's so soft. Gonna go with Bigger and Better. Now, should we do the under eyes? We should. Just a little bit. Gonna use the same color from the Blush Sugar palette, so Root Canal and Extraction mixed together. This color again, Bigger and Better. And now we're gonna clean up a little bit with brush with no product. I'm going to do the brow bones. I don't know. Let's go with this color, Bottomless. Oh, Colourpop, you killed it. I don't know if this is too much. Gonna buff it out a little bit. I also got an eyeliner, creme gel liner. Okay, I got this color called Call Me. This brownish It's brown with a little bit of purple. I don't know, it looks interesting. Ah! Oh, it died on me. Why me? I don't know if it's blendable. No, it's not. It dries really fast, like doesn't come off. Gonna do my lashes now. Okay, now I'm gonna do the mascara, and I use Too Faced Better Than Sex. Okay, bottom lashes are done as well. I don't really use false lashes. When I do put them on, looks really dramatic, like, because you know, my eyes and I'm Asian and I don't know. So if you guys have any suggestion on lashes for my kind of eyes, just comment down below so I will check them out, and then I will try to have more lashes in the next videos, or I will look more beautiful on pictures. I just forgot to contour my nose, so we're gonna do that. The same palette, NYX. Then gonna use this the smallest brush here. Use the bottomless again. Okay, more highlighter. I'm gonna use this one right here, full surface, to put it on top here. Okay, now moving on to the lips. I got a Colourpop Lippie Stix. The color is Candy Paint. I don't know if this is gonna go with this look, but we can try. Nope, definitely not. But the color is pretty though, and very pigmented. I don't have any other lipstick from Colourpop, but I'm gonna use this Jeffree Star Skin Tight. I kind of want a nude lipstick, and this is very nude and it's kind of like pinkish nude, so we can add a little bit of this Lippie Stick that I ordered because I want to use it. We're gonna finish off with some setting spray. I am going to use NYX Dewy Finish. And this look is complete. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope I will come back with more videos in the future. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. ขอบคุณค่ะ